How to actually listen to lectures. AAA listening. A lecture's value can be extracted only through listening, but listening is not the same as hearing. Listening is a conscious activity based on three basic skills: attitude, attention, and adjustment. These skills are known collectively as AAA listening. Maintain a constructive attitude. A positive attitude paves the way for open mindedness. Don't assume from the start that a lecture is going to be dull, and even if the lecturer makes statements you don't agree with, don't decide he or she is automatically wrong. Don't let reactive interference prevent you from recalling the speaker's key points. Stay focused. Strive to pay attention. Your attention must focus on the lecture. When you hear a lecture, the words enter your short term memory where they have to be swiftly processed into ideas. If they aren't processed, then they will be dumped from the short term memory and will be gone forever. Attentive listening makes sure the ideas are processed. Cultivate a capacity for adjustment. Although some speakers clearly indicate what they intend to cover in their lectures, you need to be flexible enough to follow a lecture, regardless of the direction it may take. If, however, you are thoroughly lost or if the speaker's messages is not coming across, do not hesitate to ask a clarifying question.